If you're looking for a great iPad case that also has a keyboard, you're absolutely going to love this. So you just open it just like this. I like the fact that it covers your camera as well, so that lens isn't open. And this is exactly what it's going to look like right over here. Like kind of the design that it has on the keyboard as well. Super easy. So you're going to turn this on just like that. You'll see it's going to light up blue, which is great. Super easy to connect. You're just going to hit connect, open your settings. It's going to open, going to connect right away. Cool thing is, if you don't want the keyboard, you could just remove it. It is magnetic, which is great. So it's really easy to take away if you don't want to use it for whatever reason, and just easy to put back on just like that. It also comes with a charger, which makes it super easy as well. Just really, really like this. Again, love that keyboard functionality, that it doesn't always have to stay on there. So if you're looking for a great iPad case with a keyboard, definitely check this out. And thanks to the brand for sending this over so I can do this review.